Welcome, kids, to Math with Friends, LOL. I'm your host, Chris, and today we're going to be going over some fun math concepts. But first, let me introduce my pals to you. This is Maddie, your best buddy.
Maddie, your best buddy.
And Dan the man.
Dan the man.
Today, we are going to be going over simple functions and how to graph them in your calculator. Now to Maddie.
Oh, okay. The first function we're going to be talking about today is the linear function. This function is represented as y equals mx plus b. M it represents your slope, and b represents where your line will cross your y-axis. For example, y equals 2x plus 5. We will now show you how to graph this on your calculator following these simple steps. Follow these simple instructions. First, take the cover off the calculator. Next, press the on button. Then, press the y equals button. Input the function into the calculator, 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. After that, press the graph button. And what do you know? Ta-da! There's your graph. It's beautiful.
Sweet.
Now to Dan.
Howdy, kids. The next thing we're going to be talking about is a quadratic function. A quadratic function looks like a parabola. It kind of has a U shape, just like that. It is a polynomial function, and the equation to this is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. You can graph these on your calculator by these simple steps. This is how you graph a quadratic function on your calculator. The first step is to take off the cover of the calculator. The second thing is you need to press the on button. Then go over to the y equals button and input your function, which in this case is 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. After that, you're going to press the graph button. Ooh, isn't it beautiful? Something special about parabolas is that they have a minimum and a maximum point. This parabola has a minimum point. To find this minimum point, what you're going to do is you need to first press the second button, press the trace button, then you're going to have to go down to the 3 minimum, press enter. You'll see all this fancy stuff come up. What you have to do then, you have to find the lowest point on your parabola, which happens to be here. Then what you're going to do is press the left arrow twice, then press enter. After that, go back to your lowest point on the parabola, then press the right arrow twice, and then press enter. Then just press enter once more, and biggity bang bang, there is your minimum.
Sweet.
Now to me.
The graphing calculator can be an excellent tool in finding the minimum. But sometimes your graph can be flipped upside down. Just like this. You may ask, what do you do there? Well, this is called the maximum. And you can use your graphing calculator to find this as well. We're going to go through a simple process to help you. We're going to use the equation y equals negative 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. Here's the steps. First, you must take the cover off. Just slide it under there just like that. Then you press the on button. Then you'll find your y equals key. This is the place where you input your function negative 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. From here, you will press the graph button. Here's your graph. As you see, it is upside down, so we're going to find the maximum. Press the second button, then the trace. This will take you down to your maximum, which is also at 4. You will find your highest point. Oh, there she is. And then you'll go left 2 spaces. Press it. Then go back to your highest point and go right 2 spaces. Press it. And then you'll press enter one more time. And here you see you have the maximum of your graph. That's crazy. Just look at it. Thank you for joining us today, friends. We've had a great time. Just remember that you're amazing and your math skills are equally amazing. And you're always improving and getting better. Glad we could help you get better. Yeah. See ya.